Hello YouTuber, Andrew here and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are back with another review about a traffic exchange site called Safelist Extreme. But before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to support it and hit that like button or leave a comment down below. I'd appreciate any suggestions. Okay, so without further ado, let's get back to the review. This is the sign up page, for this site, and of course it's 100% free. You can join as long as you have a Gmail account. Not other emails are accepted here. Fill out this form, confirm your email, and you are good to go. So let me log into my account as I already have one. And you have to keep in mind this note here. If you use a company like BitBounce, which actually I don't know what that is, but if you use it, make sure not to advertise it here because then your account will be terminated. Probably it has bad reviews or it's a scam, I don't know. Okay, now let me log in. So the moment you log in, this is the home page of the account. Some basic information here. As you can see, I am a founder lifetime, so I already made an upgrade. This site has more than 20,000 users, and this is the total number of the credits I have now. Okay. This is a tutorial video by George Koch. Now, George Koch is the CEO and the co-founder of WorldProfit.com. As you can see here, this ads, it says WorldProfit Gold Banner Rotator. And here, WorldProfit Diamond Rotator. Now, what does WorldProfit have to do with Safelist Extreme? WorldProfit developed and owns 18 traffic exchange sites, and Safelist Extreme is one of them. That's why you will see a lot of ads by WorldProfit. Okay, I suggest you check out this video for further info of this site. So this is the homepage. Like I said, I am a founder lifetime. Now let's see what that means, the type of memberships in this site. If we go here, memberships, you will see there are two types of memberships: a free account, which everyone can open, can create, and the founder lifetime, which is $47 one-time fee, and you are for life a founder member. Okay, now you can see here the differences, which is quite a lot, and I suggest everyone who joins to consider the upgrade because as you can see here, that I'm not going to get into every detail, but you can check it out later. Okay, now let's check out the other tools and how you can promote in this site. If we go here, mailer, send mailing. This is my favorite tool for this site. Now here you can input your email subject and be sure to write something that attracts attention. So the user that sees this subject will click on this email. Email body. The URL you are promoting here, and you can assign credits. One credit is equal to one user. You can send it to your downline referrals if you have referrals here. You can save this email as a template if you don't want to send it now, and you can refer to it in the future, or you can schedule your email whenever you feel you want to send it. Okay, now the moment you send your email, all your emails are saved here in sent messages, and you can also use this option here, resend command, which you can send the same email you sent last time in order so you won't compose it again from the beginning. All right, and these are some statistics of the emails I sent since I opened the account on December 27th. Okay. Solo ads are only for sale with you can purchase them with money, with cash, not with your credits. Okay, and promo codes. Now since I opened the account through worldprofit.com, I had a promo code there to use for this site, which for me was WorldProfit, and the moment I used it, I received some extra credits. That's it. Okay, now let's see the ads page. Here you can place your ads. I only use this option here, banners and text ads. Okay, but let's check out what this trackers is. Here you can put your URL in order to track it and to see the visitors, the type of visitors from to your website. Then the same URL you can put it in the rotators. Here are some stats, and here is a help and tutorial step-by-step guide to use this option, this page exactly. Okay. Banners, you place your banners here, and then you assign credits or assign impressions. Now you can place the banner very easy. The banner image URL here and your referral link here. So if everyone clicks on this banner, will be redirected directly to this URL. Okay. Now the best thing here is that for 50 views, you spend only 1 credit. Okay, it's not 1-to-1, but it's 1-to-50. All right. Text ads, almost the same as banners. You only put your text ad here, referral link, assign credits or impressions. The same conversion here as well. Get the spot. Now you place your ad here, website URL, banner URL, which is optional, but I always do, and then you put some words of simple text here in order to attract attention again. And this ad will be shown in the home page of every user's account, just like this. Okay. Like I said, solo ads are only for sale, and you can also buy credits. Now, these pages, mailer and ads, are the tools you can use to promote your affiliate links. This page here, affiliates, you can refer people to join Safelist Extreme in 2 different ways, using this direct referral link of this site, or you can use your referral link of World Profits if you already have an account there. I'll be sure to leave both of the links in the description of this video, so you can choose either to join here directly or to join World Profits, so you can check out also the other traffic exchange sites and all the tools they offer. Okay, and if you get if you get referrals here and they upgrade, commissions will be paid on World Profit members area. So if you get referrals, be sure to open an account as a free associate on World Profit as well. Okay. In the account page, you can guess are some basic information of your account. This is the support page. This is the memberships page, which we already checked. And this is the logout page. So this is it, guys. I just wanted to share this site with you because to me, it has been very, very effective. I don't know if it will give the same results for you as well, but that's why this is my review. I suggest you try it. After all, it's 100% free. You got nothing to lose. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that subscribe button, like button, leave a comment, hit that notification button so you will be notified every time I post a new video. See you next time, guys. Cheers.